So on this car, this is an older car, it's a 95. This is what its tensioner pulley looks like. Yours is going to be a little different. If you have something that's probably like this, it's about 2 inches and just little. But they work the same, they've got the bearing in the middle. If you have a little bit of grease, you can save yourself a couple bucks and get it working right now. So they'll have a nut on the end of it like this and a special washer. This washer on the other side has a place that goes in between the bearing. I'll kind of show you that sticks out. Can you see it there? So it goes on one way. So basically whatever the pulley looks like, if it has a bearing, we'll just pull it out. And it's got these caps on either side. They could be black, they could be whatever color, but they look like this. They look like they're plastic, but it's almost like it's plastic coated on one side, but it's actually a metal piece. Maybe it's tin or something. It's really light. So it's going to bend a little bit. But as I'm working on this side, yeah, it kind of feels kind of rubbery. Until it pops out, and then you notice, oh yeah, it's kind of a metal. Should be a way to either grab the outside or the inside. Try not to damage it too much. Yeah, it pops out and I've distorted it. I'll just try and flatten it out after with my fingers. And there's the bearings there. A little tight. That's okay. Did one of these before, a video of it, and I just wiped the dirt out, but I didn't actually clean it out like this. People razzing me, but it's been working for 2 years. Fine. And I'm going to be all good here. I'm taking some brake cleaner. I'm going to clean this side out. Ooh, I can hear it grinding. Take a listen. Oh. Yee. Could be dirt in there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the other side off, so I can shoot right through it with some brake clean. Here, take a listen to what it sounded like on the car. It sounded pretty bad. I thought it was like water pump or something. I actually was able to tighten this a little bit, and it would be quiet for a little while, and then it'd make noise again. But you'd swear the sound was a couple feet away or a foot away from where the noise was. But I'm glad that I'm fixing it now. Let's shoot straight through. This is brake cleaner. It's getting better. Of course, it is dry now. I guess if a person didn't have some air, you could just try and dry it off with a towel and let it sit for 10 minutes. I'm going to use a needle on the end of my grease gun. Maybe I'll try and put a link in the description. If you didn't have a needle, a person could just try and push the grease in through this side and make sure it comes out the other side. Give it a few spins.
Oh, coming out the other side, nice.
And technically I'm not doing this 100% the way I should either, but we'll see if it makes it quieter or not. Clean up the outside a little bit. Try not to push dirt back inside. Don't want too much in there. This might almost be too much. Those are kind of dirty, so I took the brake clean and cleaned that. Straightened it out a little bit. Push it in there with your nails, so you'll feel it click in on both sides as you go around. It's going to go along the outside of it and maybe the inside. You'll feel it kind of click into a groove. You'll know what I mean as you do it. Any kind of bearing lube would work, I guess. Any kind of grease, just grease. I'm just using a grease. This was some special stuff, that's why it's red. Not super special, I didn't get hosed on the price or nothing, but... Or maybe I did. Anyway, that's hopefully better. I put it in and got it going, and amazingly the noise, been driving around now for a couple of weeks, it's quiet. I fought and fought and fought trying to find out what was making this noise, and you'd swear it wasn't this pulley. Please subscribe, and you'll get all the notifications. It's easy. The little dog will show you how. Ring the bell. Ring the bell.